The idea of making someone addicted to you is misleading, as healthy relationships are built on mutual respect, trust, and understanding rather than manipulative techniques. However, Stoic philosophy offers valuable life skills that can help improve one's character, attractiveness, and overall presence in relationships. When cultivated, these Stoic traits can make you more appealing to others, including women, because they promote emotional stability, integrity, and confidence. Here are 10 Stoic skills that can enhance your attractiveness and lead to healthier, more fulfilling connections. 1. Emotional resilience. Stoics believe in controlling emotions rather than being controlled by them. By mastering emotional resilience, you remain calm and composed during stressful situations, making you more attractive. This skill allows you to approach challenges with a level-headed attitude, and your ability to remain unshaken by life's ups and downs is a quality that draws others in. 2. Self-control. Practicing self-control means you don't give in to impulsive desires or reactions. This demonstrates discipline and maturity, which are highly valued traits. Women are often attracted to men who show self-mastery because it indicates emotional stability, strength, and the ability to think long-term. 3. Embracing responsibility. A Stoic accepts responsibility for their actions and does not blame external circumstances or others for their mistakes. This sense of accountability not only builds respect but also shows that you are someone who can be trusted. Being responsible in a relationship leads to a sense of security and reliability. 4. Wisdom in speech and action. Stoics prioritize thoughtful speech and deliberate action. By thinking before speaking and considering the consequences of your actions, you show maturity and integrity. This attentiveness to how you communicate makes you more compelling and thoughtful in relationships. 5. Living with integrity. The Stoic practice of maintaining integrity means you live according to your values, regardless of external pressures. Women are drawn to men who are authentic and principled, as it shows a strong sense of self and the ability to be truthful and consistent. 6. Emotional independence. Stoicism encourages emotional independence, meaning that your happiness is not dependent on external validation. This independence is an attractive trait as it shows that you can stand on your own and are not seeking validation through others. This makes interactions with you more fulfilling, as it removes the pressure of constant approval seeking. 7. Patience and delayed gratification. Practicing patience and being able to delay gratification shows emotional maturity. In a relationship, this trait means you are willing to invest time and energy into something without expecting immediate rewards. This commitment is something women respect and are drawn to, as it demonstrates long-term thinking. 8. Perspective and acceptance. The Stoic concept of amor fati is about accepting things as they are and viewing challenges as opportunities for growth. Having this mindset means you approach difficult situations without unnecessary frustration, which makes you emotionally attractive. Women appreciate partners who can maintain a balanced perspective and handle setbacks gracefully. 9. Focus on the present. By practicing mindfulness and focusing on the present moment, a Stoic becomes fully engaged in the current experience rather than being distracted by past regrets or future anxieties. This presence can make you more captivating, as it shows you value the time and attention you give to others. 10. Self-improvement and growth. Constantly striving for personal growth, whether it's improving your skills, knowledge, or character, is a core Stoic practice. This drive for self-improvement makes you more attractive because it demonstrates that you are continuously evolving into a better version of yourself. Women are often drawn to individuals who are committed to growth and self-betterment, as it reflects ambition and a healthy mindset. Final thought. While these Stoic skills may make you a more attractive and desirable person, it's important to remember that true connection comes from mutual respect, understanding, and genuine care. Stoicism emphasizes the value of treating others with kindness and fairness, which is the foundation for any healthy relationship.